So it is time to do our upgrade on the Porsche 993 project, and that is redoing the interior. And one of the things that I really wanted to change was the seats, because I feel that the factory seats just aren't authentic to what the style of the car is. Yes, they've got some adjustability in black leather, but they don't bolster you like the GT3 or like these cool Recaros I have in the 964. So I've ordered some new seats along with some custom material to make them stand out. So today we're going to start by checking out these seats that I ordered the material, and then we're going to get the seats pulled out of the car, as well as the door panels that we're going to do and the rear seats, because those are getting refreshed as well. And remember, when I did show you what the inside looks like, it is not that bad, but again, like I just said, it's not that great. So those are the front seats, and then back here we're going to take out the factory seats and redo the center cushions with this new material that I got for the car. So that is the new seats that I ordered. These are Recaro LS-Bs, the bigger side bolstered compared to the LXs, I believe is what they are. And these are authentic Recaro seats, and they come from a company out of Thailand who actually redo seats that they find. I don't know how old the seats are, but they are authentic, and they've completely redone the leather, so they're basically brand new. And they sell these seats on eBay, and actually it's for a great price. A pair of seats shipped here to Arizona was about $2,300, and compared to per price seat, that's not a bad deal. So we are going to be doing the inside of the seats in this new blue and red tartan material, and that is because we want to keep the leather bolsters and matching, of course, the leather throughout the vehicle. So we're going to take a look and see what we got from these guys at SRX Seat. And anyways, we're going to pull these things out, make sure that they still look the part and they're in good condition, because they showed up actually really quick via DHL. But let's get these things pulled out and open up one or two of them. All right, got the seats out of the box. Two seats, the LS-Bs, headrest seats. Now it's time to unwrap these things, and let's just make sure if they look good before we get to tearing out the interior of the 993. Okay, we got one open of the Recaro. This is the LS-B, like I said, and they definitely look like they're going to be comfortable and perfect for this build. You see they got really big side bolsters, and when I looked at the different seats, this was important to me because the Recaro LX have a narrower bolster, and I wanted something that was going to hold you in place like a bucket seat, like the podiums I got in the 964, but something that's really going to keep you, secure and feel like you're, not going to slide around in the seat, but also that is easy to use. That way, if you want to take stuff and go on a road trip and put the back seats up, you can sit in it and be comfortable. So yeah, let's sit in these things, check them out. I don't know if this is as anticlimactic as it is for you, but here I am sitting in the seat in 105 degrees in my backyard with my Porsche and my other Porsche. But I really do like these seats. These are comfortable. Fit good there in the side. I like that. I like all of it. Headrest could go down a little bit, but yeah, this is super comfortable. I like these seats. They turned out well. Not going to open up the other one because we're going to take it over to C&L Upholstery, who did the blue Cosworth I sold that I did videos on, as well as the G-Wagon. They redid those seats for me. So I'm going to take the seats over there so they can put on the new material, which let's open up and I'll show that to you next. Real quick is, how do you install these into a Porsche? You don't need seat bases. In fact, you just use the sliders. Sliders bolt to the seat, and the sliders then bolt to the chassis in both the 993 and 964, and it's super easy to do. You can see here on the bottom, there is a place there. You bolt those sliders on, and then they bolt right to the floorboard. Now, what's going to stand the interior of this car apart compared to any other one is the material that I bought to redo the Recaros, as well as the other parts on the interior, from Relicate. Let me show you this. So Relicate is a website I found from my buddy Ryan, who did his 964 in a whole like checker pattern. It was super cool. Came across them. They sell material for just about anything you could possibly want in tons of cool Porsche colors. And again, this is a Porsche fabric. This is blue and red. It's got a fancy name, don't remember. It's that plaid look. So let's open up this box. While I was cutting it, I was like, well, I hope don't cut the material. This isn't their first rodeo. They put a piece of cardboard right there, so that's nice. But let's see exactly what this is. These guys out of New York. This is the Porsche Schotten Caro seat fabric. Can't even say that. Porsche Schotten Caro seat fabric, red, blue, and this is that, again, that plaid tartan material they call it. So let's check this thing out. This is, I mean, I guess I could make a flannel out of this if I had extra, but let's see what this looks like on one of the seats. So there we go. You got to use your imagination of what this will look like, doing the whole center, trying to keep that Recaro badge, figure out a way to maintain that on there. But I got the inspiration from this picture that I put right there, and you can see that this interior on this picture that I found online is super cool. So this material, not only on the front seats, but also on the back seats of the Porsche. And if I have enough, we'll do the door panel pieces, this little sliver of it. Should turn out really cool. So that is how this material looks. Now it's time to get everything out of there. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the back seats out. We got the back seats out. We'll clean that up and then put some Velcro down. Now we're going to try and get door panels off. I'm going to leave the stock seats in here until I need to switch them. I might pull the passenger out, but there's no reason to pull them both out in case I got to move the car. So now we'll get the door panel off. Okay, I got the bottom carpet door piece off, like cubby, which looks just like an RS door card. I guess if you remove this and then put a handle on there. So I'll put it back though. I think it definitely is a part to this, right? Like without having the storage kind of defeats the purpose for what this car is. It's not a lightweight race car. So, but door panels coming off pretty simple. Okay, we got this driver's side door panel completely off. So now we can get that to get the rematerial in that one area. I didn't want to take off just that one area. It comes out with some easy clips. Got it sitting over there. Yeah, so this side's done. Now we got to move on to the passenger side. So I'm going to move my little umbrella to keep me out of the sun here because it's hot. Okay, we got the passenger side off, and now everything is ready to go to upholstery, and then we'll continue to move on here. But everything is coming along really good.